Thank you for being the place where I learned to breathe. To my friends and fellow graduates, to my Abagab family, Kylie, Erskine, Lewis, J. Brian, George, Khalil, Cyrus, Heron, Bern, and Harp, and Russell. We started as a group of friends, but we are graduating as a brotherhood. And a special mention to our favorite acting auntie, Auntie Cherry Ann Sargent. Thank you for being my unexpected emotional support. Sometimes, when the lessons were hard and day was long, your words of encouragement over snap were exactly what I needed to keep going. Thank you for feeding both our stomachs and our spirits. Fellow graduates, let's be real for a second. We are walking away with more than just a diploma today. We are walking away with the trauma of the intense afterheat in our classrooms. Where the only thing circulating was to stay in hot air. To survive the day's struggle of trying to keep our eyes open during the last period, which felt like it lasted for 3 business days. And who could forget the absolutely hard class we shared whenever teacher wrote in and said those 5 terrifying words. Get a 1 sheet of paper. At that moment, you realize who your true friends are based on who actually has paper to spare. We didn't have a fancy gym or a quiet, air-conditioned library, but we had a shade of trees, the noise of the hallways, and most importantly, we had each other. We survived high school not because we were perfect, but because we were experts at laughing through the stress. As the iconic host the song reminds us, I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Those lyrics remind us of the greatest love God's founded. To our parents and teachers, thank you for being our first heroes. To my fellow graduates, as we move forward, let us not only search for heroes to follow, but strive to be heroes ourselves. Let's live with confidence, depend on our strength, and never let the world take away our joy. As we move forward, remember, malayo pa, pero malayo na. We still have a long way to go, but look at how far we have already come. Let us not rely only on our own intellect. Carry that golden thread of trust in the Lord. I would not be standing here today without my emotional pillars and those who prayed for me. Don't limit your wisdom to academics only. It is empathy and service towards others that should keep us going. No matter how high your wings take you, always remember to stay modest and look back at your humble beginnings. College life is not easy. It will challenge us, but always believe in yourself. Choose good friends, listen to your teachers, and never forget your ambitions. Tonight, the lights will dim on this chapter. Tomorrow, we wake up to a new story. But for one last time, let us cherish this moment. Let us cherish this room that brings us and the people who love us. This has been the greatest honor of my life. I am Charlie Reyes of Kawilan Sanada, your valedictorian, now officially signing off from Palpala.